Forgot your Wi-Fi password but your system is already connected? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to view your Wi-Fi password using command prompt in Windows in just a few simple steps. First, go to the search bar and type command prompt, then select Run as administrator. A new command prompt window will open. Now type cd / and press enter to go to the root directory. After that, type netsh and hit enter. Next, type the command, wlan show profile. And press enter. This command will display all the Wi-Fi networks that your system has previously connected to. As you can see, this is the list of all saved Wi-Fi connections, including the one I'm currently connected to. Now, to find the password of a specific Wi-Fi network, type the following command, wlan show profile name equals your Wi-Fi name, key equals clear. And press enter. This command will show all the details of that selected Wi-Fi network. Scroll down to the security settings section, and you'll find a line called key content. This is the password of that Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Now you can easily view any saved Wi-Fi password using CMD. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.